Category 8. To discuss the amenities of this hotel, as you can see on the screen, in this resort, 8 type of room is available on agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the hotel is superb. Guests to fully enjoy the surroundings. The time of this hotel is 3 p.m. The check-out time of this resort is 11 a.m. Details on our website will be online for this hotel along with different rate and sign-in policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any problem booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. If you need additional details about this hotel, please check link in the description box. Share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire